In this video, I'm going to answer a very common question. Can you delete x.com or Twitter messages from both sides? And the short answer is yes, but only under the right conditions, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. If you've ever sent a message by mistake and wanted it gone from both your chat and the other person's chat, this tutorial will help. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open X and go to your direct messages. Find the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. Once you're inside the chat, locate the exact message you want to delete. Now look for the three dots next to that message. Tap or click those three dots to open the message options menu. From that menu, choose Delete for All. This is the key option you want if your goal is to remove the message from both sides of the conversation. When you select Delete for All, the message should be removed from your chat and also from the recipient side as well, as long as the platform allows it for that message. Before you confirm, just make sure you've selected the correct message, because once it's deleted, you won't be able to get it back easily. If you're deleting a message because it contained a typo, the wrong link, or something you sent too fast, this is the fastest way to clean it up. After you click Delete for All, the message should disappear from the conversation. You can refresh the chat or open it just to confirm that it's gone. That's all there is to it. No complicated settings, no hidden menu, just open the message options, choose Delete for All, and confirm. So yes, if you're asking whether you can delete x.com messages from both sides, the answer is yes in this case, by using Delete for All on the specific message. If you found this clear and useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple social media and tech how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.